There is nothing left at home. The shopkeeper is not ready to give anything in the credit.
If there is nothing left, what should I do? Should I bang my head on the wall?
How can we spend these days with your chiller money? Can't you find a job anywhere?
Why are you asking this question now? Didn't you know our financial condition before marrying me?
In those days, you were young, I was young. Both were in love.
That is why they say love is blind. Oh, my Dudwal is coming.
Dudwali, better you go inside. I'll talk to her. Go. Why do you want Pedro? I am here. Talk to me. He's gone out.
What? Out? When is giving my milk money?
Money? He will give you tomorrow.
Tomorrow? How many tomorrows should I wait for? Day by day you both are getting fatter and fatter by drinking my cow's milk. My cow doesn't give me milk freely. Even I have to feed her. Look! By tomorrow if I don't get my money, then tell Pedro forget me and my cow's milk.
She left early.
Why? Do you wanted to do Bharatanatyam in front of her?
Oh dear, why you get angry? Hey, look! What? The shopkeeper is coming. Now you better go inside.
Oh, Peter, sitting out and having fresh air? Where is Kattu?
Oi, mind your tongue. She is Kattu for me. Kattu boy for you.
Okay, where is Kattu, bhai? I want to talk to her.
Why you want Kattu? Why not me?
Look, Peter, Kattu bhai's credit is increasing. Daily she takes my coconuts, mangoes, chakkulis and lot of stuffs without paying 1 rupee.
And you still give her?
Yes, poor lady, suffering under a useless husband.
What?
I mean, when are you gonna give my money?
Don't worry. Tomorrow I will give you.
Tomorrow? 2 months have passed. Look, Peter, by tomorrow if you don't give my money, then look at this. Not this, man, this.
Oh God, what to do now? I think our days are near.
Idea! Kattu, come here.
Thank you, madam. May God shower abundant blessings on you.
Where did you get this money?
I told Sarpanch's wife that you are dead and got this money for your funeral.
Oh God! I told Sarpan that you did and got this money for your funeral.
Why should we worry now? We got the money. Let's enjoy now. Hey, look, Sarpanch's wife is coming. What to do now?
Now who has to die?
It's you. Die, die. Pedro, I properly meant. Yesterday he ate tandoori, biryani, kebab, but today he is no more.
No, Kattu, don't cry. It is of no use. Take care of yourself. I'll call my husband for the funeral preparation. Don't cry, Kattu. Don't cry.
Pedro. Wake up, wake up.
Who told you about tandoori, biryani and kebab? My mouth started watering.
Then what to do? I have to send her back. Hey, look, Sarpanch is coming. What to do now?
Nothing to do. You die, I'll cry. Kattu! 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 Oh God, why did you take her? Yesterday she wished to eat paisa, laddu and chakuli, but today she is no more. Now who will eat those paisa, laddu and chakuli? Kattu!
Control yourself, Pedro. Take courage. I will look after the funeral. I inform Padre to ring morning bell. Don't cry,
Kattu!
Pedro. Don't cry.
Kattu! 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 Ah! Why are you hitting me?
Then why did you kept me so long? I was struggling for my breath.
Okay, okay. You got what you wanted and I got what I wanted. It is time to enjoy.
Nice idea. Let's enjoy now.
Mary!
Where were you? I was waiting for you from 1 hour.
I went to Pedro's house, then to church. Pedro's wife is no more.
Huh? What nonsense you are talking? You're mistaken. That is Petru, not Kattu.
What a rubbish! Are you okay? I personally seen her dead body.
That's impossible. I saw Petru dead and Kattu is crying.
Okay, let us visit their home and clarify.
That is good idea.
King, I can smell biryani, tandoori, kebab. I am hungry. Hey, look! Chakwan and his wife are coming.
What to do now?
Nothing to do. Let us both die.
Look, Kattu is dead.
Look, Pedro is also dead.
Then who died first? I think Kattu died first, then Pedro died in sorrow.
No, Pedro died first, then Kattu in
No,
sorrow.
no, Kattu.
No, Pedro.
Kattu.
Pedro. No, Pedro is dead. Such a sweet man. He used to climb big trees and pluck coconuts and mangoes for me. Who will do that for me now?
Leave your Pedro and his coconuts and mangoes. I have bigger ones in my shop. But look at Kattu, such a beautiful lady. She used to come to my shop in the morning and my day began by looking at her face. Whose face shall I see now?
All be quiet. I think something is fishy in this matter. Okay, if anyone among you tell me who died first, I will give them 10,000 rupees.
I will tell.
What is all this? Can anyone explain me?
We are sorry, sir. There was nothing left in the home, and we wanted money. So,
And you lied? Yes. We are sorry, madam. Please forgive us. We wanted money, but Pedro
Was not having job.
Okay, then we will forgive you. Ask forgiveness from God too. But remember, you may be victorious with lies, but the victory is not permanent. One lie leads to thousands of lies until you caught badly one day. Henceforth, you both need to work hard and earn money. Pedro, you can work in my field. Kattu, you can help my wife at home. But never lie.
sir, what about 10,000 for telling who died